Measles are back in the news.
Again?
Yeah, they're up again. South Carolina health officials yesterday said the state now has 434 measles cases.
Shut that place down.
After 124 new cases have been confirmed. There are currently 409 South Carolinians in quarantine and 17 in isolation, with some quarantines extending to February 6th. Mobile vaccine units will be active this week, and officials urge local residents to get vaccinated. Vaccination now can avoid long-term quarantines at home for those exposed to the measles virus. Most all cases come from the upstate region in an outbreak centered in Spartanburg County that began in October and has involved exposure at several schools and churches. Spartan County is home to several charter schools with a significant number of students with religious exemptions from routine vaccinations.
Somebody stated in an article 100 years ago that measles is linked to autism. Measles vaccinations were linked to autism. And then once that article was debunked, nobody paid attention to it. And when the other news comes out, it's not as big, it's not as widely reported. And then, boom, now you have this problem.
Everybody in South Carolina has measles. And to get a religious exemption in that state, you don't have to have a doctor's note, just have to have a form and have it notarized.
You have every right to raise your kid how you want to raise your kid, you know what I mean? And if you don't want to vaccinate them, I guess don't vaccinate them, but
they could get the measles.